Hey folks, Peter here from Warehouse Guys. Feels like spring, it's not, but it feels like it. Still delivering spas, all sorts of spas as you can see, all sorts of swim spas, swimming pools. All that is available right now. We can deliver anything you want. In regards to spring swimming pools, we do above ground pools. We do on-ground pools and we do in-ground pools. We install everything if that's what you choose, especially in the above ground. A lot of people do it themselves. In regards to the in-ground, all professional services, all our own staff, no subcontractors. We only use high quality, high warranty products. Great prices. Warehouse Guys, we're here for all your installation needs. We can take care of all your spas. They're all showroom spa deals right now, so they're a little bit cheaper than normal if you're going to take a showroom one. Warehouseguys.com.